Hi, this How to 1 Minute will show you how to delete blog page completely from a Wix website. As you can see right now, I'm on my Wix site editor and here is my blog page. And now I will show you how to delete a blog page completely from a Wix website, also from navigation bar or header. First of all, go to your Wix site editor and then click on page, and here click on manage pages, and here in the site pages and menu section you will find blog pages. Now all you have to need, just click on this three dot next to blog page and click on delete. And here we can see when you delete the blog page, your Wix blog app will also be deleted. So now just click on delete to confirm deletion. And now I'm going to closing this settings page, and as you can see, I've completely deleted my blog page from my Wix website, also from my header or navigation bar. So this is how we can actually delete our blog page completely. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.